Hey guys, the video you're about to see is a straight line wind event with 80 plus mile an hour. I'm up here just about east of Vermilion, South Dakota, here on 29 at the TA, aka Coffee Cup. If y'all know if truckers know the area, that's where I'm at. I knew storms were coming in. I didn't know exactly what time. More of an enhanced area where I'm at in the storms, per se. So I've shut down about noonish. I'm asleep. I go in, go get something to eat. I come in and crash. I've been asleep for about 5 hours. And the wind's been coming out of the south most of the afternoon, and it's been rocking the truck back and forth. I noticed they put up a thunderstorm watch just south and west of me before I went to bed, so I was like, okay, maybe they'll push it later on throughout the night, move that thunderstorm watch or whatever they're expecting to come in. I get woke up, and in the camera, and this is dash cam footage, I just got the first 3 minutes of the storm off of dash cam. You'll see from the right to the left, you'll see up in the corner of the video, you'll see the dust. You can barely see the dust, and it just comes in, and you'll see the gust, and these are 80 plus mile an hour winds. It is lightning now because it's storms. The storm cells are coming through. There is damage to the TA awning over the fuel island. As soon as the rain quits, I'll actually upload another video about it to show you the damage to the wind. We are now getting some thunder and lightning as I'm filming this video. This started roughly around 5 o'clock, maybe 4:30. We'll say about 4:30, 4:45 p.m. on May the 12th. Gives you a time frame. In the video you'll see on the dash cam, I think I've got it set for mountain time. So whatever you see in the time, just add an hour. Roughly what happened. It's very wicked. I've been in storms. I've been in I've chased tornadoes, but I've never experienced winds like this. That was unreal. I'm a little shaken up a little bit, honest to tell you. This is just unreal. I'll be uploading this to my primary channel and this video up to Oklahoma storm chasing. I'm in the wrong kind of vehicle to go chase storms, that's for sure. This is just an unbelievable experience. It's kind of exciting now. I'm a little not so nervous now, but it was there for a little bit. I thought I was going to get blowed over. But here's the video. Apologize, I'm still sleeping. I've been up all night. So here's the video. I hope y'all enjoy. If you're new to the channel, hit like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. I'll put a link later on to the new channel in the description. I'll add some other stuff in the description later on. So come back later, get the link to the new YouTube channel. Alright, we'll talk to y'all later. Be careful, be safe.